How to add overlays in Reelshot. Want to enhance your videos with overlays? Here's how to add overlays in Reelshot. First, open your project and tap the overlay or add layer button. Choose an image, video or effect from your gallery or Reelshot's library. Position and resize the overlay on your video screen. Adjust the opacity or blending mode to blend it perfectly. Set the overlay's duration by dragging the clip edges in the timeline. Review your video to see how the overlay looks. Then save your project once you're happy with the results. What overlays do you use the most? Share your favorites in the comments below. Use overlays sparingly to avoid clutter and keep your video clean. And that's how you can add overlays in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.